name?
I'm Jamie. What's yours?
I'm Tammy.
Sweet Jesus, is that an exandrophilo butterfly?
Yes, but just keep your voice down.
What are you losers talking about? This is a bird watching camp, not an insect camp.
Hey, insects are just as interesting as birds.
What did I say? Birds eat insects any day.
Gee whiz, I feel like a butterfly in a hornet's nest in this place.
Yeah, I feel out of place too. So why'd you come here?
Well, my parents are avid bird watchers and they wanted me to join the family business. What about you?
I set my fire ant farm free at a picnic. My parents are trying to fix me.
Gee whiz, it seems like we're both in the same situation. We should find a way to escape.
How we do that?
I've got some extra spoons.
How about we just try to get kicked out?
Good idea.
I wish I still had my fire ant farm. I have a plan.
I am very disappointed in you. You released 10,000 cockroaches into the cafeteria. What were you thinking?
We just wanted to...
Well, we just love bugs so much. We wanted everyone to see them.
This is a bird watching school.
We know!
You don't have to get loud. I'm going to let you off with a warning this time. So get out of here.
Hi, Tammy. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fantabulous. So, why do you hang out with that bug freak?
Well, she's really nice.
Nice means nothing. It won't get you anywhere in the bird watching fields.
Hi, guys. How's it going?
What's the matter to you, insect lover?
I'm sick of this. Bugs are just as cool as birds. Differences are what makes us special. My name's Tammy, and I'm a bug lover.
My name's Katie, and I have a confession. I didn't break my leg bird watching. I broke it underwater basket weaving.
I'm Percy, and I make celebrity puppets.
My name is Carly.
I'm a man.